In this video, I'm going to show you how to add links to your Facebook story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the thing is that if you open up your Facebook, tap on plus icon, add there some media and tap there on stickers, there are no link stickers on the Facebook. So you can't add link to your Facebook story from the Facebook app, but you can do it from the Instagram app. So for now, open up Instagram, tap on plus icon to start creating story, add there some media, photo or video. Next, hit this stickers icon. There look for link sticker. You can use search bar for that. I see it right there. Here you can attach some URL. Now you can change the position of that sticker in the way you like and share it to your story. Now hit there on your story, and now there you see Facebook. You can tap it, and now it says if you want to share it on Facebook, you can set up to share to Facebook every time, or you can tap share once, and now that story was shared to Facebook. Let's check this out. I open up Facebook, and now if I tap there and now hit on my profile icon and select view story, here I got my just creating story from Instagram with active link in it. I can visit google.com directly from my Facebook. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.